What do you picture when you hear the word archive? For many, this might evoke the button that removes email from your inbox. If you're familiar with archival research, you might picture a dim reading room to protect fragile paper from sunlight, workers standing watch to ensure you don't bring anything risky near precious documents. We reimagined the Bentley's public spaces to welcome all members of the campus community, experienced and otherwise. What if an archive included event space, opening its doors to the public to celebrate shared history? What if an archive abounded with natural light? What if an archive displayed photos and documents, curated to reflect current campus interests so anyone could wander in and browse without a research plan? These are just some of the possibilities this project produced, brought to life by a vivid 3D model, a novel approach in archival user research. Students and faculty sang the praises of helpful, welcoming staff, but the design of the building still left users with a feeling of intimidation. Archives work differently than libraries, which is in tension with the name Bentley Historical Library. Community members struggle to casually stop in because there are rules to learn and delays to pulling boxes from storage. The campus community would find it much easier to remember all these rules and requirements if there was a streamlined online resource to train new users or provide a refresher. To sustain these efforts, our client will incorporate our findings into an ongoing website overhaul. This should result in easy access to a virtual introduction to archives. For this project, we interviewed architecture faculty who suggested this work form the basis for a master's design studio, which would contribute many fresh perspectives to how we imagine archives. In the long term, with fundraising, construction can be undertaken to fully realize this vision. To benefit the campus community, our recommendations demonstrate actionable steps to create a more welcoming and reassuring archival environment. Through our interviews, student and faculty voices were heard directly by archival leadership. This work fills a gap in current scholarly discourse, prompting new conversations in the professional archival community.